Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast issue. If your iPhone's battery is draining too fast, there are several steps you can take to identify and address the issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply check your battery usage. You have to go to the settings, then tap on battery to see which apps are consuming the most battery power. If you notice any particular app using an unusual high amount of energy, consider updating the app or checking for an alternative option. After this, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as update often include optimization and bug fixes. You have to do is simply open the general on your iPhone, tap on software update, and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to do is adjust your screen brightness. Lowering your screen brightness can significantly extend battery life. You can adjust it manually or enable auto brightness. To enable the auto brightness, you have to do is simply go to accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down and you will see option auto brightness. Simply tap on it and enable it. After enabling the auto brightness, then you have to do is enable the low power mode. Activating low power mode can temporarily reduce power consumption by disabling certain feature. You have to do is simply go back and go to Face ID. You can see the option low power mode. Simply enable it. After this, then you have to do is disable your background app refresh. Some apps refresh content in their background, consuming battery power. Consider adjusting which apps are allowed to refresh in the background, or you can simply disable all of them. To do this, you have to simply open the general, tap on background app refresh, again tap on it. You have to do is first of all disable the low power mode. Tap on it, you have to make sure that it is turned to off. Then you have to do is turn off your location services. Location services, especially if those running in the background, can impact battery life. Consider turning off unnecessary location services for a specific app, or you can simply disable for them all. You have to do is simply open the privacy and security, tap on location services, and if you have enabled the location services on your iPhone, simply tap on it and disable it. Tap on turn off and disable it. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then it's advisable to do reset all settings on your iPhone. Resetting all settings won't delete your data, but will reset system settings to their default value, potentially resolving the battery draining issue. You have to do is simply open the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone battery draining too fast. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.